Are you tired of feeling like you're just throwing money away every month on subscriptions and bills that keep creeping up? You know the feeling. You sign up for a service, maybe for a free trial, and suddenly it's a permanent fixture on your credit card statement. Or you've been with the same internet provider for years and your bill seems to increase without any good reason. It's frustrating, and it adds up to hundreds or even thousands of dollars a year. But what if there was a way to fight back without spending hours on hold with customer service? That's where Rocket Money comes in. While the app is great for finding and canceling those forgotten subscriptions, one of its most powerful features is its ability to negotiate your bills for you. Here's how it works. First, you connect your accounts and let the app analyze your spending. It identifies your recurring bills, like your internet, cable, or phone plan. Then, you simply select the bills you want them to negotiate. You can even upload a picture of a bill or connect your account directly. The magic happens when Rocket Money's team of negotiators gets to work. They contact your service providers on your behalf and use their expertise to get you a better rate. They know the tricks of the trade, the promotions, and the a la carte plans that can save you serious cash. Best of all, they won't downgrade your service without your approval. The fee is success-based. You pay a percentage of the savings they achieve for you over the first year. So if they can't save you money, you don't pay them anything. It's a win-win. You save time, you save money, and you take back control of your recurring expenses. So if you're ready to stop overpaying and start saving, give Rocket Money's bill negotiation a try. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.